ngayon, kasama ko ang legend herself ng Great Life. Hi, Madam Press!
Hi, AC!
Ayan, so napakasarap po na nandito tayo ngayon para makapagkwentuhan po sa inyo. Actually, I want to start off by congratulating you and Great Life dahil last year especially nagsimula ang napakaraming recognition kagaya ng Global Filipino, yung magazine natin, front page ang ating Madam President. And then, meron din po kayong TV show. Di ba po, Madam?
Nag-guest lang naman.
Nag-guest, ay sorry.
Wala naman akong TV show.
Oo, pala.
Naimbitahan lamang tayo ng Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Ayan, oo nga
Na-recognize nila ang Great Life. That's good.
That's amazing, Madam. And then the latest po is na-awardan naman po kayo sa Philippine Heroic. Ayan.
Yeah.
So, congratulations, Madam. Talagang nakikita ng lahat na kung gaano ka-credible, ang ganda po ng leadership ninyo dito sa Great Life. But I'm just curious, Madam. Ano ba yung reason behind bakit ninyo tinayo ang Great Life?
Yung Great Life, to be honest, at first I was really hesitant na magtayo ng kumpanya. Because I know the responsibilities that, that go with it, no? Ako kasi someone na matagal mag-decision, AC. Pero once I decide on something, I really put my heart and soul into it. So at that time, I felt that there was a need for me to put up this company.
Wow.
At that time. And believe it or not, I really want to help people. And this industry, ganitong klaseng business kasi, malaking tinulong sa akin. Alam naman, for those people who really know me, I've been in the industry for more than 3 decades.
Wow.
Alam na yung mga naging success stories ko dito, but more than the finances and all, it has been my training ground. I discovered a lot about myself, nabago yung mindset ko, nabago ang pagkatao ko, ang buhay ko, financially, and I just felt na, just to give back and pay it forward. So when I got the chance na, okay, I felt na more people need this kind of business company, no? Maraming taong gustong magnegosyo, hindi alam kung ano negosyo gagawin. Gustong matrain kung paano ba talaga humawak ng business, mag-entrepreneur, maging leader. So when I got the chance, okay, why not? Besides, yung products ng Great Life kasi is focused on the wellness. No? I also feel that there's a significant marketing opportunity for wellness. Well, beyond that, AC, nagkaroon din kasi ako ng experience sa health ko, which became, para my advocacy. Na, when I had the spine surgery year 2012, tapos, nagkaroon ng health awareness. And then, ito nga, it's more of supplementation, yung mga products natin. Tapos, sa business side, so both For the products, maraming matutulungang tao, magkakaroon ng health awareness. And then, on the business side naman, kahit papano makapagbigay ng pagkakataon for other people to augment their income or magkaroon ng pagkakataong kumita ng pera through the business model that we have in Great Life.
That's amazing, Madam. Nabanggit mo kanina na kapag nag-decide ka, all-in po kayo.
Yes!
Actually, I was thinking,
Yes.
grabe, ang dami nang nadaanan ng Great Life. Specifically, nung pandemic, Madam, kabubukas lang ng Great Life noon. Tapos biglang umatake, di ba po?
Oo,
Yung
2020.
pandemic, 2020. So, ang question ko, Madam, paano ninyo nalagpasan yun? I mean, it must take a lot of courage, decision, yung strength, and leadership. Paano niyo po nagawa yun?
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. We launched this company February of 2020, just days into the lockdown. What motivated me? Ito lang naisip ko dyan, AC. I knew that tough times are temporary. These are not permanent. But the vision that I had for my business is long-term.
Wow.
So, yung pandemic, it was really a massive challenge. Totoo yun.
Yes po.
Diba? Pero, giving up kasi is just like throwing away all the efforts, the time that you've given, diba? The efforts, the time, the potentials, the hopes that you already built in the company, in the business. So, instead of giving up, I just focus on adapting, thinking of how to grow, strengthen. Kaya nga what we did noon is, if you remember, we strengthened our online and delivery services because
Yes.
at that time, yun yung kailangan talaga para magtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung operations natin. Well, not to forget, buti na lang wellness yung products natin, about health products, and very relevant talaga yung mga products natin during that time. But for me, it was somehow a shining glory or crowning glory for us din. Because during that time, talagang medyo na-brand natin ang todo yung products ng Great Life. Naka-create tayo ng maraming end users, ng mga product testimonies. So for a startup company, nakilala agad yung mga produkto because of the results na experience ng mga totoong tao talaga.
Ang galing.
Oo.
Grabe, madam.
So, ayun, yun lang. Alam mo, yung struggles naman, that's part of any journey, Kahit na anong journey yan, struggle is really part of that. Pero, yun nga, iniisip ko lang is, giving up should never be an option. And talaga ganun hardest times naman is, a test of our commitment. But they also create the strongest leaders.
Wow.
So,
Giving up is never an
option.
option. Grabe, from the words of a true legend, madam. Di ba po?
Yeah.
Speaking of legend, madam, clearly, talagang legendary po kayo. Kami, as distributors, na nag-uumpisa pa lang naman, trying to make a name dito sa network marketing. Pero kayo, madam, ikaw ang gumagawa ng mga soon-to-be legends. So, how do you do it, madam? What drives you?
Well, honestly, fulfillment. Seeing someone grow from a beginner to a confident leader, for me, it's deeply rewarding talaga. Kasi that's transformational Yung makita mo yung isang tao just like you, diba? I see myself in you, AC.
Wow!
When I was starting, when I was a little younger, kasi I started very young. I was 19 years old, diba? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung potential ko, hindi ko alam yung kaya kong gawin. It was more of discovery about myself. And then, I never realized yung kung ano yung pwede ko pa palang ilabas, But, because someone mentored me also, I listened to other successful people. Now, it's about time naman for me to, give back to the younger generation. Na kayo naman, whatever I think that I can do to help you guys and be a leader of your own din, diba? Kasi, it's, you just don't make followers, you have to really create leaders, diba? Kasi sabi nga nila, do not make other people dependent on you. If you really love and care for the person, do not make the person dependent on you. Kailangan dumating yung time, kaya din niya to stand on his own. Tapos mas makilala niya yung sarili niya, mas maging kumpiyansa siya. And that will make you a great leader. Yung motivation ko is pag man nakakakita ako ng mga tao na na-discover niya yung sarili mo, the way you think. Remember, before when we
Yes,
were
madam.
talking, ang laki-laki ng in-improve mo, AC.
Thank you, madam.
It started with your mindset, di ba? Nung nabago yung mindset mo, nag-iba yung kilos mo, nag-iba yung action mo, yung trabaho mo. And slowly, eventually, nag-grow ka Ganon din ako dati. So, I'm excited to unleash the potential in every person who are willing naman to be mentored.
Wow, grabe. Yes, actually, personally, ang laki po ng influence ninyo sa akin. That's why I asked, grabe po kayong gumawa ng leaders or mga potential na legends in the industry. So, madam, my next question is, how do you feel whenever you see new achievers, new multimillionaires na nanggagaling sa leadership ninyo?
Well, syempre ako happy ako kasi it somehow validates my mission, our mission, and demonstrates the power of the products and the business model of Great Life. 'Di ba? Kasi, that's what we promised So, pag may nakikita ako na somehow nagiging successful, may magandang nangyayari. Although, as I always say, I cannot promise success to anyone. Kasi ang success nasa tao yan, 'di ba? What I can promise is the support, the right opportunity for you to make it big. Pero ikaw pa rin ang gagawa talaga ng success mo. So pag may nakikita ko nagiging successful sa buhay niya, of course, credit to her, credit to the person. Kasi talaga namang, most of the percentage ng success mo ay nasa iyo pa rin talaga yan,
yes.
Di ba? Yun lang, pag nakikita ko na, wow, okay, gumanda buhay nila, naging successful sila, at least it validates our mission. No? And it's, again, fulfillment para sa akin yun.
Ang ganda. Grabe. Mission talaga, madam. No? Ang
Yes.
ganda.
Yes.
So, looking forward, madam, what are your plans for the new, greater, di ba, more improved and stronger Great Life?
Alright, ako yung immediate plans ko no for the company is my immediate plans is to of course expand the reach of Great Life's reach both domestically and internationally. Okay, and of course we will continue to innovate our product lines. We have plans of launching minimum of 3 products this year.
So exciting, madam.
Okay.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah, and of course we enhance our training programs. Lalo na ngayon that you will be seeing me more often. Okay? Mas madalas niyo ako makikita because I really want to be maging hands-on talaga on giving out the trainings then for the distributors, for the leaders. Because as you said kanina, is we want to create more leaders. And of course, we are also committed to leveraging technology to improve our operations and also our customer experience. More importantly, we aim to solidify Great Life's position as a leading global wellness company.
Wow,
Yan.
looking forward to that, madam.
Yes.
Sobrang swerte ko talaga na coming from you, madam,
Yeah.
naririnig na talaga natin yung mga plans niyo for Great
Yeah.
Life. So, madam, can you paint us a picture of what awaits us as the distributors of Great Life na naniniwala sa plans and vision ninyo for us?
As much as possible, itong ating business model natin, di ba? What we had is a stable and consistent marketing plan. Okay, but at first, no, itong lahat ng mga naniniwala sa atin, sa vision ng Great Life, of course, I'd like to thank those people who believe in our mission.
Yes.
Okay, our vision. Those who believe on our vision and trusting us to deliver. We promise to stay true to our values and lead with transparency. Okay? And syempre, itong mga nangyayari sa atin, I want Great Life to be a globally recognized company. So, ang vision ko dito is not really just here in the Philippines. Kaya nga from the very beginning, the reason why we developed quality products talaga, focus talaga tayo dyan, is for us to also penetrate because that's the only chance we can penetrate the international market. Diba? So lumalawak yung reach natin. Lumalawak yung mga taong nakakakilala ng Great Life. And eventually for the people na nagtrabaho talaga, naging committed talaga, for them to enjoy Great Life, no? Together with their families. Of course, yung mga pangarap na nabuo from the moment na binili mo yung package, yung hope na nabigay sa'yo, from the moment, hindi mo pa nga naintindihan yung negosyo, nagkaroon ka na ng hope agad, di ba?
Yes.
Yun yung ayokong mawala sa mga tao, no? Yung hope na yon na, and of course, inspiration, and then eventually that dream, that hope, that inspiration will turn out into reality.
Wow.
No? Living the life that you just imagine. Okay?
Yes.
Like ako, well, at first, hindi naman, syempre, pag bago-bago ka pa lang, like I was younger, hindi ko in-expect na malaking-malaki ang pwede mong makuha, ma-achieve, di ba, in
Opo.
life.
Yes.
But you know, every day is a learning day. And as you encounter or meet different people, you listen to different mga trainings, you discover more about yourself. So, mas nakikita mo, there's more to what you think. There's more to what you think. Diba? Yung, eventually, I see every one of us, no, traveling to different countries, one
Yes.
country at a time. And then building also your market, your network,
Yes.
one country at a time.
Yes.
Okay, driving your, you know, your dream cars.
Yes.
Diba? Living in your dream house. At
Houses.
hindi lang houses, no? Home.
Yes,
Kasi
madam.
of course, yung, you know, living comfortably with your family. And yun lang naman talaga yun eh. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin, diba? Kaya nga the name of this company is Great Life. Because yun yung palagi kong dinadasal sa Panginoon. Na maibigay niya sa lahat ng mga taong naniniwala at nagtatrabaho sa Great Life yung magandang buhay na from the very beginning, winish ko talaga at pinag-pray ko na maibigay sa lahat ng mga tao niyan.
Napakaganda.
Yeah.
Ramdam na ramdam ko, madam, yung puso mo habang nagsasalita ka. Konting time pa lang tayo nagkukwentuhan, madam, pero ang daming-dami ko na pong natutunan sa inyo. Mas nakilala. I felt like mas nakilala ka po namin dito sa ating session. Ayan, but of course, guys, dyan lamang kayo. We'll be back after this very short break.
Sa trabaho namin talagang buwis buhay. Isang paa namin halos nasa ukay na. Pero dumarating talaga sa punto na nagkakaroon kami ng emergency. Financial stability namin talagang bumababa. Mabuti na lang nandyan si Great Life. Sa oras na kakailanganin o mayroon akong kailangan dukutin, may nakukuha tayo. Siyempre bilang isang police investigator, siyempre inaral ko muna to ng maayos. Inimbestigahan ko yung legality nito para siyempre hindi makaapekto naman sa akin bilang isang uniform personnel. Kasi i-offer ko to lalo na nung nakita ko na bawat distributor at member nito ay talaga namang walang iisipin. Lahat legal. So nakita ko, napatunayan ko lahat, inimbestigahan ko, lalo na yung management. Talagang very supportive sa mga distributor.
As a leader, I feel na yung influence ko sa tao will only happen once they trust me and they respect me. Itong kumpanya naman na to, nabuo to because of the trust din of the people. And that's something that fuels us to be better and to deliver what we promise to the people.
And we're back! Ayan, madam, going back doon sa sinabi ninyo na yung vision na nakikita nyo para sa mga naniniwala sa inyo. Actually, madam, sobrang excited kong makita yun. Kasi grabe, no, yung nabanggit mo talaga na parating na ang unstoppable momentum. Di ba po, madam? Ano pong masasabi ninyo doon?
Yeah, ako, very excited talaga ako. Ang ganda ng pasok ng taon na to because nakikita ko na it's happening, no? Lahat ng mga members ngayon, yung mga leaders na dati parang feeling ko medyo nahihiya pa, alam mo yon, which is normal naman kasi pag lalo na pag first time ka pa lang talagang ginagawa mo yung business. Pero nakikita ko unti-unti na nag-explore din, 'di ba? Tapos ginagawa nila yung part nila and now it's happening kasi in all branches natin, bawat leaders na nakaposte doon, nako, I'm so proud of you. You know, the leaders from Baguio City,
Yes.
the leaders in Pampanga, sa dito sa may Visayas and also sa Mindanao, no? And of course sa Dubai, no?
Yes.
Lahat. And yung ibang mga places din na wala pa tayong opisina, pero nakikita mo yung dedication, yung commitment, yung hard work ng mga leaders na pag ang tao talaga may malupit na malinaw na vision, wala hindi ka mapapagod, hindi ka magugutom. 'Di ba? Parang excited ka palagi na gawin yun. Like dito sa head office naman, I'm happy na we're growing in
Yes,
numbers,
madam.
no?
Yes, madam.
Every day, you notice that, AC,
Yes,
Mondays to
madam.
Saturdays. Nakikita ko talagang yung mga tao, both online, ang dami nating participants,
Yes.
sa regular na Zoom natin, and marami din ang dumarating dito sa office. So that's a good thing, no?
Yes.
Makikita mo na organically, naturally, na talagang nag-grow tayo.
Yes, madam.
And-
Actually, napansin ko nga rin po talaga, madam, na pati sa GC, pati yung mga group chat natin, madam, kahit hindi na kailangan na i-remind pang bawat isa, ang ingay-ingay po, as in they express their excitement, they express yung mga results nila, nakusa na po talagang dumarating. Sabi nyo nga po, madam, iba talaga ang galaw kapag excited ka.
And AC, you cannot fake excitement
That's
talaga
right.
Ano mo, yung it's not something na po pwede mong i-script, ituro sa'yo on how to be excited. The person himself or herself has to really feel that. Kasi whatever's happening to you inside, nagra-radiate yan palabas at nararamdaman niya ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And that's what I really want, no? Yung nakikita ko ngayon, punong-puno ng excitement, looking forward to the future ang mga
Yes.
tao. And that's very good, no? Kaya I would say now, panghawakan natin to, you know, to create that kind of momentum. Really, consistency is everything.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Parang kinikilabutan ako, madam. Kasi parang ang kausap ko ngayon is not Madam Press, but Upline Rocky.
Yan, ako nakaka-excite.
Grabe.
Nakamiss mag-network.
Kaya nga, madam, going back po dun sa networking, networking days ninyo, curious lang po ako, ano po yung excited kang ma-experience ng mga nagde-network ngayon sa Great Life?
Alam mo yung excited akong ma-experience nung nag-usap nga kami recently ni Apple, kahapon lang ba yun? Yung simpleng baliwan lang namin, kwentuhan lang namin na magkano na yung pera mo sa bangko. Nagtatanungan kasi kami dyan. Ewan ko kasi medyo yun ang motivation ko, pero kami ni VP Apple yun ang motivation namin.
Huwag po kayo mag-alala, madam. Yan din ang
Sorry.
motivation
Ganun ba?
natin.
Oo, yung naalala ko kasi nung first time punta namin ng Taiwan ni Apple, tanungan kami magkano naman ang pera mo sa bangko.
Wow.
Ako ganito, sabi niya, ako ganyan. O sige, pagbalik natin after 6 months, magkano uli? Talagang literal, pakitaan kami ng passbook ni Apple kung magkano yung pera namin. Tapos yung first time kami na magkaroon ng 1 million na savings,
Wow,
solid savings sa
solid.
account. That's what I remember with Apple. Kasi yan, pera talagang ano yan eh, ang kanyang motivation, di ba? So, yun, tapos excited ako sa mga, I am really a traveler eh.
Oh, yes.
So, siguro that's one thing that I enjoyed about network marketing. Kasi itong ganitong business allows you to go to different places, explore different countries, be with the people that you want to be with, in-explore nyo yung isang place, pati yung mga food doon, explore nyo. You know, that's something that I really want you guys to experience. Yung first time namin na maka-experience ng snow, mag-shopping sa Paris,
Wow.
di ba? Yung makapunta ng mga lugar na napapanood mo lang sa Netflix, napapanood mo lang sa HBO, na pag ordinaryo ka lang na mamamayan. Honestly,
Yes.
parang hindi mo naman, kahit pumasok sa imagination mo, hindi mo naman maiisip na pupuntahan mo yun eh. Parang feeling mo, okay na sa'yo na pinapanood lang siya. Pero, pag napasok ka sa ganitong dimension,
Tama.
diba, ganitong klaseng industriya, ganitong klaseng negosyo, parang talagang unlimited eh. Alam mo, limitless opportunities, limitless possibilities,
Yes.
diba, na nobody will tell you na hanggang dito ka lang.
Yan. Tama.
Diba? Hanggang dyan ka lang sa Boracay.
Boundless, madam.
Boundless,
Wow.
diba? Na parang, sige na, pangarapin mo and anything is possible. Pwede mo naman makukuha yan, diba? So yun, yun yung mga experience ko that, you know, of course, driving I remember, kasi ako ever since, mahilig ako sa malaking sasakyan. So yung first ko na, car ko nga, I was 20 years old at that time, high-east
bata
van,
pa po kayo.
panghakot, tapos may akong Pajero,
Wow.
yan, tas Land Cruiser. Yung iba naman, kung gusto magkaroon ng sports car, dahil of course, meron din kami niyan. Yung pwede mo, kahit hindi ka masyadong mahilig sa kasi ako hindi ako masyadong mahilig.
Oh.
Iba, mahilig ako sa relo,
Uh-huh.
mahilig ako sa, iba-iba kasi ang ano ng tao, di ba? Mahilig ako sa travel, mahilig ako sa relo, mahilig ako sa pera. Sa mga ganon, di ba? So yun, I want you guys to experience kung ano ba talaga yung nasa heart mo. Di ba? We only live once, di ba? I mean, sabi nga, there's only one shot in life. And there's no such thing as the next life.
Grabe.
Because the next life is already your eternal life.
Yes,
di ba?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, paano mo naman sasabihin na yung pangarap ko na makapag-travel sa South America ay kukunin ko na lang sa susunod na buhay ko?
Oh,
Wala ka na susunod na buhay. It has to happen now at this present time. So, ganon. Kung nangyari sa akin, I'm sure mangyayari rin sa inyo yon. Dapat mangyari yon na malakas ka pa, you have the energy to enjoy it.
Yes,
No?
madam.
You have the time. You still have the time. Hindi ka, alam mo yon, parang nagbabadali or pagod na, hindi na kaya ng katawan mo. Right? So, yan, I'm excited to see you grow and experience these things. Experience the world.
Yes.
Sabi nga, the world is your oyster. Let's make the world our playground.
Yes.
Diba? Tapos ma-experience natin yung mga bagay na sa panaginip mo lang ata naiisip.
Wow.
No? And yun yung gusto kong ma-experience ninyo.
Excited
And you
na
will
ako.
grow, no? Mag-grow ka doon, Casey. Well, you will make mistakes, of course. Kasi ako, I made so many mistakes din in the past eh. Dahil
Yes,
syempre, when you were young, you were aggressive, hindi ka ganito. So, you will make some mistakes, but that's fine. Kasi you will grow, you will learn, you will grow from it, you will become a better, a stronger person. And then you will gain wisdom, tapos ma-realize mo na, okay, akala ko nung una, ang nakuha ko lang dito is all about material, is all about financial, etc. Pero something na money cannot buy is the wisdom that you gain from those experiences. Na anytime, no, ano man ang gawin mo, hindi yun makukuha sa'yo. Magagamit mo yun talaga.
Wow.
So ako, for me, no, yun yung malaking bagay na naituro sa akin ng experience ko in this, in life. Not just in this business, in life.
Wow. Grabe, no? Grabe, madam. Ako, actually, personally, habang pinakikinggan ko kayo, na-excited na ako kasi pumapasok na sa isip ko, ano kaya ilalabas natin mga sports car? Ano kaya ilalabas natin? Ano kayang bansa ang pupuntahan ni Great Life? Di ba? With the great people.
Yeah.
Sobrang na-excite ako. I'm curious, madam, ha? During po ng networking days ninyo, meron ka bang pwedeng i-share na unforgettable moments ninyo habang ginagawa nyo po ito?
Actually, AC, sobrang dami kong unforgettable, no?
Yes, madam.
Sobrang dami. Ay, teka lang, natawa ako dito. Meron akong unforgettable. Ito makikita niyo talaga ako na if I'm focused on something, I'm really focused on something. Ito, fun ito, no?
Yes, madam.
I was 20, bata pa ako to. Nagpe-present ako sa isang coffee shop. May kausap ako. Tapos habang pinipresent ko, syempre with energy, alam mo pag nagsasalita ako, di ba, parang akala ng iba galit. Kasi with passion, very passionate ako magsalita.
Opo.
I remember, hindi naman uso nun yung mga mayroong laptop or something. Talagang mano-mano, sulat-sulat.
Yes. Opo.
May kausap ako noon sa coffee shop, explain. Ang likot ko, galaw ako ng galaw, habang present ako ng ganyan. Patras na patras yung upuan ko, nahulog ako doon sa inuupuan ko. Tapos, yung kamay ko na lang yung doon sa kausap ko. Sabi sa akin, Rocky, sabi ko, pero pagkatayo ko, as I was saying,
Yes,
tuloy ako,
tuloy.
wala. Dead ma lang. Totoo yun na, that's true na.
Grabe.
Well, as I was saying, sabi ko, ganyan. Ito nga pala, ganyan. So, kailangan, bata pala ako, natutunan ko na not to be distracted, di ba?
Opo,
So, kahit
grabe.
nalaglag ka, nahulog ka, tumayo ka pa rin, bumangon ka,
Yes.
with grace.
Yan!
And
Grabe.
focused on kung ano ba yung gusto mo, what's your goal.
Yes.
So, ang goal ko, mapapay-in ko yun.
Aha.
Kaya kumbaga, hindi ako nawala dun sa magpa-present pa rin ako.
Grabe.
So that's one unforgettable ko na experience. Sa Green Hills yun. Nasa Green Hills kami. Nangyari yun. Tapos another thing, kasi nag-international market. Ako, I love to really market internationally. Parang ang sarap kasi na mag-explore ng iba't ibang buhay ng iba't ibang tao sa ibang bansa.
Wow.
Kasi ang ganda ng kwento ng mga OFW. Kaya nga lahat ng mga stories nila, natutuwa ako nakikinig, paano pare-parehas lang din yung kwento, no? Pero parang pare-parehas yung mga kwento ng mga OFW na, breadwinner, tapos talaga nag-sacrifice, yung mga ganun. So I love hearing that stories. So pag ako nagmamarket ako sa international, isa sa hindi ko makalimutan, meron akong backpack noon, diba? Tapos pag pupunta ako sa abroad, syempre lalagay ko lahat ng mga products, no? So I remember, may mga laman noon, puro sabon.
Ang bigat nun, madam.
Diyos ko, kaya nga
Sabon?
ata nagkaroon ako ng problem sa spine eh. Basta nakatira ako noon doon sa isang downline ko sa Hong Kong, sa Discovery Bay. So, para pumunta ka sa Central, magfe-ferry ka going to Central. So, naka-backpack ako noon, hinahabol ko yung ferry papuntang Central. Tumatakbo ako. Tapos nung malapit na ako sa ferry, habang tumatakbo ako, may nagsabi sa akin, Miss, Pilipino rin, yung palang mga sabon ko nahuhulog.
Hala!
Kasi nabutas yung backpack ko.
Hindi kinaya yung
Hindi
bigat, madam.
basta tumatakbo ako, tapos habang tumatakbo ako, nahuhulog isa-isa yung mga sabon. Binalikan ko, kinuha ko yung mga sabon, tapos naiwan ako ng ferry. Di ba? Parang grabe, no? Parang nakakatawa na experience. Pero syempre, nung time na hindi ako natatawa. Naiinis ako noon.
Tama.
Kasi parang, nalita ako, ganito. Pero, ayun, those are mga funny ngayon dahil pag iniisip mo, parang nangyari pala yung mga ganito-ganito. So,
Grabe.
yun. A lot. Marami. Kulang ang oras natin pag kinuwento ko yan. Kasi sa sobrang dami ng mga magaganda, mga experience ko, tsaka yung, syempre pag nagne-network ka, bago ka pa lang, wala ka pang masyadong resources, di ba? Pera or something. So, nung nag-network ako dati sa Hong Kong, I'll never forget, memorize ko doon sa Yoshinoya, 50% off yun pag 3 p.m. So, ginagawa ko, alas 2 ng 2:45 pa lang nakapila na ako, 2:30. Kasi, hinintay ko mag 3 o'clock kasi may 50%
50%.
discount ako doon sa Yoshinoya.
Wow, grabe.
Diba? Tapos, pag, ang saya-sayang balikan ngayon na, alam mo yon na ngayon, kaya mong kainin kahit ano yung gusto mong kainin,
Grabe.
kahit saan mo gustong kumain, anong gusto mong kainin, hindi ka tumitingin sa presyo.
Saang bansa pa man yan.
Saang bansa.
Grabe.
But those are humbling experience for me na kailangan minsan pagdaanan mo
Yes.
at alalahanin mo para hindi pumasok sa ulo mo ano man yung success na makuha mo. 'Di ba? Because once upon a time, hindi ka ganon. I mean, hindi ka ganyan kadaming pera or something, 'di ba? So, every time naalala ko yung mga yon, yun yung nagbibigay sa akin ng parang, it humbles me. Na wow, grabe, di ba? Parang, dati hintayin ko yung alas 3 ng hapon para kumain ako ng 50% ng Yoshinoya. Ngayon, kung gusto kumain sa Yoshinoya, anong bansa ba to?
Tama.
I mean,
Grabe.
di ba? Kaya nga bilog ang mundo, di ba?
Apo.
You will never know. Kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, wala kang makain, ako, that's just temporary. Di ba? Darating yung time, lahat ng pagkain na gusto mo makakain mo, basta't ang mahalaga, may panlasa ka.
Yes. May
Kasi,
panlasa ka pa.
May panlasa ka pa. Kasi, mas mahirap, may pera ka pero wala ka ng panlasa.
Wala ka ng panlasa.
'Di ba? So, ikaw, kung wala kang pera ngayon, wala ka lang perang pambili ng pagkain, that's fine.
Yes.
Ang mahalaga, may panlasa ka.
Yeah.
Kasi yung pera para makabili ng pagkain, napapagtrabahuhan yun.
Yan.
'Di ba? So, yun.
Grabe,
For
no? Grabe, ngayon ko lang napakinggan yung mga funny stories niyo, Madam. Pero that brings us back na before ka naging Madam President, you were once a network marketer. Just like us na nag-uumpisa. Building everything. Di ba
Yeah.
po, Madam? Very inspiring. Ang sarap pakinggan ng mga ganitong real life stories ninyo, Madam.
You know, yung pag-build kasi, AC, when you're building something beautiful, when you're building something meaningful, something beautiful, and something long-term, okay, you really have to have that patience.
Yes.
No? Kasi, ano yan hindi naman makukuha yan sa isang gabi, isang linggo, di ba? As long as nag-grow ka, no? Like, for example, nag-start ako mag-build, di ba? Dumarating din sa point minsan na nagda-doubt ka na sa sarili mo kung meron pa bang pupuntahan to, may mangyayari pa ba dito. Pero once na pumasok yung doubts sa'yo kasi, mag-iiba yung trabaho mo eh. So, kailangan, every time na papasok yung doubts sa'yo,
Yeah.
no, piliin mo na tanggalin yun. And just believe in what you do. Tapos, appreciate every single growth na nangyayari sa network mo. Diba? May mga taong pumapasok, more people are joining your organization, lumalakas ang puwersa mo, 'di ba? And then eventually dadami, and then magugulat ka na lang na ayun na, 'di ba? Parang malaki ka na pala.
So, Madam, do you have any message to say sa mga nanonood sa atin ng great people?
Sa lahat ng mga great life people, no? Well, thank you again. Thank you for believing on our vision, okay, and trusting us to deliver. Your hard work, your dedication, your commitment are driving force of our success, di ba? So, just remember that we promise you to stay true to our values and lead with transparency. And of course, yung lahat ng mga efforts na binibigay ninyo natin, alam ko ang sakripisyo na ibinibigay ng isang tao na nagbi-build ng network because I was once like you,
Wow.
right? So, yung mga sakripisyo na yan, talagang pagdadaanan lang yan. Do not focus on the sacrifices you're making. Rather, stay focused on the end results. Ano yung magiging kapalit nito? Mahalaga na kayo din mismo, aside from ako, I have my clear vision for the company, pero kayo din kailangan, may malinaw din kayong vision para sa sarili ninyo at para sa grupo ninyo. Kapag alam mo na may kapupuntahan ka, merong patutunguhan to, talagang regardless of what you experience, discouragement, distraction, rejections, whatever it is, you will keep on moving. Diba? So, just remember guys that we're on the same page, no? Kung anong gusto ninyo mangyari sa buhay nyo, yun din yung gusto kong mangyari sa inyo. Kaya naman, makikita ninyo that continuously, ini-improve natin ang Great Life, lalo natin pinapaganda, and expect more innovations, and expect more growth, no? This year and the coming years for all of us.
Sabi nga, di ba, time flies when you're having fun. Hindi ko talaga namalayan na umaandar pa lang ang ating oras. Parang saglit pa lang tayo nagtatawanan dito, di ba, nagkukwentuhan, madam. It's such a blessing. Thank you for giving me the honor to talk with you today.
Yeah.
One last and final question, madam. Do you have any message that you can look back to sa sarili po ninyo?
Ang sasabihin ko is, okay, stay true to your vision and remain to be passionate about empowering people. Never stop learning and growing. And of course, challenges will come, but you have the resilience and the wisdom to navigate them.
Wow.
Be strong. A lot of people depend on you. God is with you, and if God is with you, who can be against you? You've got this.
Wow! Grabe! Pang Miss Universe talaga, madam. Tapos na! Tapos na talaga, madam. Perfect
Okay.
po yun.
So, yan.
Once
Yun ang
again,
akin.
madam.
Yeah, thank you.
so much po. Thank you so much po sa inyong time.
Alright.
Thank you, great people. See you soon!
Bye!